go.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Long Island Sound west of New Haven, CTPORT Jefferson, New York. Long Island Sound east of New Haven, CTPORT Jefferson, New York, until 9 p.m. At 8:23 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing strong winds over 35 knots 3 nautical miles southeast of Smithtown Bay, moving northeast at 25 knots. The thunderstorm will be near Port Jefferson Harbor around 8:35 p.m., Stratford Shoal around 8:45 p.m., the mouth of the Housatonic River around 9 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following marine locations: Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York, and Long Island Sound east of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York.